Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can view someone's TikTok profile without them knowing. So let's say you want to go inside someone's profile, but the moment you do that, they will be able to see that you have viewed their profile, because there is this new feature in TikTok called profile view. Let me show you. So as you guys can see, these are the people who have viewed my profile. So if you want to view somebody's profile without the other person knowing, then you need to follow a couple of steps. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. Now, to view someone's TikTok profile without them knowing, you want to turn off your TikTok profile view. Now, if you turn off your TikTok profile view, then you won't be able to see if other people have visited your profile. And not just that, they also won't be able to see that you have visited their profile. So it works both the way. You won't be able to see and they won't be able to see you as well. So what you want to do is come on your TikTok profile, click on the three line at the top right and go on where it says settings and privacy. Now, once you're inside settings and privacy, the second option where it says privacy, click on it and then scroll a bit down until you see this option called profile views. Click on profile views and turn it off. Once you do that, your profile views will be off. Now you can go check somebody's profile and they will not know, and you also will not know if somebody has checked your profile. That's how you guys can view someone's TikTok profile without them knowing. So hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll meet you guys next time.